No doubt that AI presents tremendous opportunities as well as insanely big challenges. For those who fear it will crush everything around that humans have built, I have simple comparison. For example, first car powered by gas engine was invented in 1886. However, this didn't erase traveling. This just made it easier to reach from point A to point B. Another example is printing press. It made information more accessible. It did not have an impact on the information itself, did it? So will the AI crush all humans in 10 years' time? We can speculate, but I would like to think it will not be the case. However, will some humans be replaced in their jobs or skill sets? That is in fact what is going to happen, and I think you all would agree on this one. So you really have few choices. Either play in this game and become a grandmaster in it, or to complain about the rules and get crushed. I personally think you can make yourself extremely valuable in the upcoming years if you develop correct skills and learn how to use AI to your advantage. Also, you will never believe what's already possible and will be possible in the upcoming years. It's gentleman's finance, and today I will share exactly how to make yourself valuable using AI and make money leveraging it in a few moments. First, we need to consider who will be replaced by AI. I think first time we ever heard about AI or robots, we all thought the first thing which will be replaced is going to be physical labor. After that, AI and robots will be as good as humans to replace some office jobs, and in the end, even creative industry. It turns out we all have been wrong and creativity sector got hit first. It seems AI is better than humans what was thought to be the most human, which is creativity. By this time, there are a million companies trying to emulate lawyers, teachers, or even doctors. Just think about it. What would you trust more? AI lawyer that is analyzing millions of law cases, client records, has access of all literature of law and can scan through all of this in seconds, or some guy who graduated a law school 30 years ago before you even got out of the womb and has all the information which can lead to some information mismatch and lose you a case. So if AI will be able to do that, wouldn't you think that it will be months or years at max when it can understand what makes a certain person interested? In theory, it could make a perfect ad, perfect show, or even perfect game tailored specifically for you. I'm not going to sugarcoat your dreams. The reality is, a lot of people will get replaced. This was going to happen anyways. AI just sped things up a lot. We had those mass layoffs, especially in big companies. Imagine when people like Jeff Bezos will walk into the office and realize that half of the guys are not doing anything. Trimming off the fat was unavoidable. Most of big CEOs will start to realize that half positions are not necessary. And what will separate those who will win and those who get wrecked, you may ask? The speed of adaptation. So you can either relax and watch AI take your job or leverage AI to become better at your job. See, with AI, we have base knowledge of skill at the reach of a hand, so those who will adapt fast and learn how to use the AI to become more valuable at the job will win big time. When one opportunity disappears because of technological advancements, other opportunity emerges. But those opportunities will not last forever, so you need to act fast to not be late. Basically, when we are talking how to make money using AI, we are talking how to leverage AI to make money. Leverage is a way to basically increase your output while burning less your own energy. So basically, you can think of AI as an almost free leverage, since before you had to hire someone with the same or even less knowledge as AI for a lot of money. Using AI is nearly free. In old days, to scale your business or free up your own time, you had to use fairly expensive leverage. However, these days soon will be long gone. So let's talk about 3 actual ways to make money using AI. First one is service-based business. This can be some sort of agency or service company. Obviously, in this case, AI can help you with different variety of communication. For example, it can help you write proposal letters for a client and you just need to double check it and make some minor adjustments. In weeks or months time, this will save you a lot of hours, which you can use more wisely. For example, to strategize your future plan in your current business. This way, you can work more on your business rather than in your business. This luxury was viable before only if you had employees. I will give you an example. If you run some sort of marketing agency or even do marketing campaigns for your own business, you can now use tools like Creative AI to write all your ad copy, and all is left to do for you is test it and approve. And that is nothing compared to what AI can and will be able to do in the future. For example, nowadays we already have softwares which can generate product photos or videos for you. In the past, we needed a full-time team for this task and a few days of work. Right now, we can do it in a few hours using AI and other softwares. And some of you might say, it is quite sad that people will lose their jobs. However, we will always need that final touch from a person to confirm the work. Even if not, those same people can also use AI to leverage their own work and make everything faster. If I managed to spark some ideas for you so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel for future content. This brings to the next way, which is content creation. If you are a content creator, copywriter, or just regular writer, AI gives you a million ideas to dig into. No more creative crisis, no more creativity blocks. If you are a copywriter, AI can make you so-called skeleton or a plan, and you just need to fill in the blank space in between. This might save you a massive amount of time and possibly even double the customers you can manage, thus making you more money. Coming up with ideas is no longer a problem. Everything goes down to just asking the correct questions and AI will take action. If you think, even in the oldest times, what separated the best thinkers from regular citizens was the ability to ask correct questions. Although we have tools like AI, no one takes away your ability to think and ask the correct questions. All AI does is helps to get more interesting, more engaging answers. And no doubt, soon we will have softwares which will help with all different content creation types. What it means is basically everyone will be able to edit photos and videos when before only a handful of people could do it in professional way. You might ask why everyone then don't just use it if it is so good? People nowadays getting more and more lazy. If internet was not enough, AI will not be enough either. This is the new era. The new way open-minded people will make thousands or even millions combining the ability of human critical thinking and potentiality of AI. Third way to make money using AI. If you are some sort of consulting coach, we nowadays have softwares which transcribes notes for you if you are in a meeting with a client. If you need a presentation for a client, AI can make slides based on your notes and even tailor presentation for a client's branding. AI can even do a Excel analysis for you. All these things took hours and now can be made in a couple of minutes. You might ask, but how it affects you as a business owner, as a worker? There is massive opportunity to learn how to leverage AI to your advantage right now. One of the main keys of competitive business or career is speed. The AI gives you a chance to be way faster and more professional than your competitors. Not only that, if you think about most successful business owners or big guys, you must understand that they are very good at making strategic decisions and maintaining relationships. That means that AI helps you to leverage a lot of work while focusing on what a human can do best, make strategic decisions and grow and maintain relationships. That's it from today's video. If you found any value in this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to your comment. Also, comment down below how you would use AI to increase your wealth.